You don't need a PhD in phonics to teach your child to read. My name is Danae Aboa. I'm a reading specialist, and welcome to our Learn to Read series. It's perfect for brand new readers and struggling readers. If you're new here, head here to check out lesson 1. And if you're all caught up on the lessons already, let's keep going. Welcome to workout 21. Have a high five with your coach and say, "It's a great day." All right, we've got a new letter to introduce today. This is the letter U, and a U sounds like Can you look at your reading coach and say, U says Good job. Okay, so our game today is called Stretch It Out. What you're going to do is your reading coach is going to read a word to you, and you are going to listen for the sound. When you hear the sound, you are going to repeat the word, and you are going to stretch out the sound of as long as you need to while you turn around and touch your toes. So this would sound like this. Let's say the word was push up. So you'd think, okay, push up. Where's the in push up? So I'd say it slow. Push, and then you turn around and touch your toes while saying push up. Do you got it? All right, you've got a few more words to try with your reading coach. Remember to stretch out the sound of Go ahead. All right, while we're stretching out words, let's stretch out the word thunder. So let's see how many sounds the word thunder has. Here we go. We've got 5 sounds in the word thunder. All right, you've got a word to try with your reading coach. Go ahead. Okay, let's try switching out the sound in the word pun. Do you hear the in pun? To an I. So we're going to take our and we're going to change that middle sound to an I. So So we've taken pun and we've changed it to pin. Very good job. All right, you've got 4 more words to try with your reading coach. Let's practice writing the sound This sound actually happens in a lot of words. This is another vowel. Do you remember we talked about vowels? So this vowel shows up in a lot of words because every word needs at least one vowel. So let's look at how we write the So we're going to start at the top. Again, we're going to drop down to the bottom line while saying When I get to the top, I'm going to climb back down the line straight as I can and touch the bottom. Let's try it again. Excellent. Have a go at those U's. All right, are you ready to write some words? So let's write on our first line, let's write the word ba. Ba. So remember, it's really important that we now know that B doesn't say ba, B says b. And now there's 2 sounds that make that chunk ba. Can you hear what the other sound would be? Ba. All right, so we've got b at the beginning. Nice tall stick. B. And what's the end of ba? That's our new sound. So we can write our U on the line. And we've written the word ba. All right, have a go with the words that your reading coach will tell you. Well done. All right, now you've got 10 sight words that you've got stored in your heart that you can go through your story and find before you get started. These words are, I hope, starting to jump off the page at you, and if they're not, it's okay. Over time, as you find them in our word hunts, you're going to find that they just start popping off the page at you. Okay, so go ahead and find all of those words. They are listed on the page if you forget which ones you've learned so far. So go ahead and go through for those and then sound out the words you don't know and go ahead and draw a fun picture afterwards.